As far as health scares go, the COVID-19 coronavirus is arguably the biggest to hit America in a century. But the good news is that the coronavirus is a germ we are actually equipped to fight. In fact, the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency has said that the COVID-19 coronavirus is actually one of the easiest viruses to kill. Why? Clorox scientist Richard Lowe told ABC, "A coronavirus is what's called an envelope virus, and that means it has an outer envelope that's composed of proteins and a fatty material called a lipid. And it's that outer layer that makes it relatively simple to kill with most disinfectants, compared to other viruses that don't have that envelope." The EPA says one of the best ways we can protect ourselves from the coronavirus is by cleaning and disinfecting countertops and surfaces regularly, with cleaners approved by the agency for use against COVID-19. This news has sent scads of people to buy supplies at their nearest store, including cleaning products, which they're scooping up in hopes of keeping the virus at bay. So the question is, which household cleaners really do work against the COVID-19 coronavirus? Well, fortunately enough, the EPA-approved list includes plenty of product and brand names that we already know, such as Clorox disinfecting wipes, disinfecting spray and multi-surface cleaner, and bleach, Lysol's Clean and Fresh multi-surface cleaner, its disinfectant Max Cover Mist, and its heavy-duty cleaner disinfectant concentrate, Purell Professional Surface Disinfectant Wipes, and Peroxide multi-surface cleaner and disinfectant. While the EPA admits the products haven't actually been tested against COVID-19, they are expected to be effective against the coronavirus because the approved household cleaners have worked against organisms that are more difficult to kill, and they have worked against other coronaviruses that are similar to the one we are facing down today. And making sure your home is clean and disinfected is one effective way of keeping your home free of not just the coronavirus, but other germs too.
So there's just one last game to play. It's called Clean Up the House.
Sarah Fozzard, head of home hygiene for pharmaceutical company Thornton & Ross, told Patient, "With research suggesting that human coronaviruses can remain infectious on surfaces for a matter of days, establishing a hygiene routine with some simple everyday preventative steps can help avoid the spread of respiratory viruses. Wiping down high-traffic areas will reduce the spread of viruses in areas which come in contact with various people throughout the day. Areas that need the most amount of disinfecting attention include desks, keyboards, phones, door handles, entrance doors, shared spaces like kitchens and bathrooms, light switches, car steering wheels, and remote controls. Floors are also a key area to clean and disinfect because, as Fozzard noted, floor surfaces receive a high amount of traffic on a daily basis. If outdoor shoes aren't removed or if pets live in the home, there is the added risk of bringing in bacteria and viruses from the outside. Therefore, it is vital that floor surfaces are not only cleaned but disinfected correctly. It is not enough to do a deep clean every few days. You should make a habit of cleaning then disinfecting your surfaces at least once a day, but more often if they're in heavy use. Also, keep a separate pair of gloves for areas that might have been contaminated, and always disinfect any washcloths you might have used for cleaning by using the highest setting on your washing machine. And don't forget to wash your hands on a regular basis too. Don't spend any cash buying up antibacterial wipes or gels because the antibacterial element won't matter, as COVID-19 is a virus, not bacteria. But in a pinch, they still may work, according to professional cleaner Niger Berman, who told Patient, "Most antibacterial cleaners are also disinfectants. It's just that they've been specially marketed to emphasize their antibacterial properties. Viruses are more resistant to disinfectants, but can still be killed with them. Happy cleaning."